In this video, I'm going to talk about sum and difference of trig functions. In particular, I'm going to talk about sine, cosine, and tangent. So let's consider our angles to be alpha and beta. Alpha and beta are two angles. So sine of alpha plus beta is equal to sine alpha times cosine beta plus cosine alpha times sine beta. Now, if you want to use negative, all you have to do, put a negative sign here and this becomes negative. So sine alpha minus beta is going to be sine alpha times cosine beta minus cosine alpha times sine beta. Now let me go ahead and do the sum of angles formula for cosine. So cosine of alpha plus beta is going to be cosine alpha times cosine beta, cosine alpha times cosine beta minus sine alpha times sine beta. So here I kind of want you to pay attention to this sign. So this is positive, but here it's negative. Very important to remember. Unlike sine, if it's positive, alpha plus beta, here you have positive. If it's negative, alpha minus beta, you will have negative. But for cosine, the signs change. Okay, so cosine alpha plus beta is going to be cosine alpha times cosine beta minus sine alpha times sine beta. And then similarly, if you put negative here, then this is going to be positive. Finally, tangent. So tangent of alpha plus beta is going to be equal to tangent of alpha plus tangent of beta divided by 1 minus tangent of alpha times tangent of beta. Again, please note at the sign. So this is positive. On the top is positive, in the bottom is negative. Now, if I were to change it to negative, how is it going to change? So tangent alpha minus beta is going to make this minus and make this plus. That's the difference. So these are the basic sum and difference formulas for sine, cosine, and tangent. However, if you want to find something like cosecant of alpha plus beta, cosecant of alpha plus beta, you don't need to invent a formula for this. You can just write it as 1 over sine of alpha plus beta, and you can use this formula. And similarly for cosine of alpha plus beta and cotangent of alpha plus beta. Cotangent of alpha plus beta. These are very straightforward. However, you need to remember these three. This one, and this one. And once you remember those, you can derive the other ones. I hope that this discussion was helpful. Thank you very much.